for alligator, snappy and green, splashing in swamps where he's rarely seen. B is for bear, so big and so bold, he loves the honey and hates the cold. C is for cat, who purrs on the mat, chasing a yarn and chasing a gnat. D is for dog with a wagging tail, running through parks, leaving a trail. E is for elephant, gentle and wise, with floppy ears and giant size. F is for frog, who jumps so high, croaking and leaping beneath the sky. G is for giraffe, tall as a tree, nibbling leaves so happily. H is for horse, galloping fast, through the fields he's built to last. I is for iguana, scaly and cool, sunbathing all day by the jungle pool. J is for jaguar, silent and sleek, hunting at night, quiet and meek. K is for kangaroo, bounce, bounce, hop, with a baby Joey who won't ever stop. L is for lion, king of the land, roaring loud with a mighty stand. M is for monkey, swinging on vines, stealing bananas, oh what fun times. N is for newt, slippery and shy, he hides by the rocks where it's dry. O is for owl, who hoots at night, spreading his wings in moonlight flight. P is for penguin, waddling slow, sliding on ice with a chilly glow. Q is for quail, tiny and neat, scurrying fast on tiny feet. R is for rabbit, hopping with glee, through green gardens and under the tree. S is for snake, slithering low, through the grass so smooth and slow. T is for tiger, fierce and bright, striped like the sun in morning light. U is for uriel, with curved big horns, climbing the mountains in early morns. V is for vulture, soaring so wide, gliding through air in silent pride. W is for whale, giant and blue, singing deep songs in the ocean's view. X is for Zurus, a squirrel so quick, hiding his nuts with a clever trick. Y is for yak, fluffy and stout, marching through snow without a doubt. Z is for zebra, striped black and white, galloping free in the morning light.